Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today, I've got an 18.5 fat front next to me. Let's get into it. Okay, today, I've got an all-black Mystic 18 by 5.5 fat front. These are the hottest size probably that we have right now. I'm getting so many questions about them and some information for you. To put this on, this is different than a regular 21. You don't have to do anything to the fender or anything like that. You just put the wheel on. It's super simple. The 18.5s, despite it not being taller, it's wider, so you gotta have an 18.5 specific fender, which we can supply and not a big deal. The fork boot covers, cowbells, beer cans, whatever you call them. We usually use the Arlen Ness ones. They're like 170 bucks. You can get them in black or chrome or titanium. So the wheel itself, not much is different as far as anything we do aside from the 21s. It's all made in-house here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. As far as balancing, there's no weights on this wheel. It's all internally balanced with what we call dynabeads, or balancing beads. Important note for any of my guys with 2020 and newer bikes that are wanting to put the TPMS sensors into one of these. If you don't order it pre-installed from us, you're going to retain the valve stem here. You do not use the stock Harley valve stem. There's a video on our website that explains very easily how to do it. It's about a 2-minute job if you've got the tire off. Super simple, literally just bolts right on. Do not try and use the Harley valve stem. It will not work. It retains our valve stem. We usually send Dunlop tires on them. This one has a Dunlop on it. Important note, they will come mounted opposite of what is normal. So the tire will actually, it'll appear as if it's on backwards. This one doesn't matter because it's not a directional wheel, but it'll appear as if the tire is mounted backwards. That's because Dunlop does not make a front 180 tire. Pirellis don't matter. They can run front or rear, the same pattern. Doesn't matter, but it does for Dunlops. So important note if you do get one of these with a Dunlop on it. This one's got our polished floating rotors on it. We 3D machine this hub so we can attach this rotor, which is bright polished, it's not chrome. That way you can see straight through to your wheel. The hubs have 2 bearings in them. They're both seal bearings, so you don't got to worry about greasing them or anything like that. Seal bearings with a crush tube in the middle, so it'll always spin free and smooth. Something to note that I'm not sure if I've talked about before, our wheels are powder coated, they're not anodized, so they'll always have that glossy kind of shine, the black ones will. We can do custom colors or like a matte finish if requested. Everything you see here, it's all lifetime warranty. No BS. If there's something wrong, we'll fix it. Everything is made in the USA. There's nothing from overseas or anywhere other than our shop here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We make everything and put all of this together and ship it completely in-house. All right, that'll wrap up our 18.5 fat fronts. Subscribe.